Guys, we're gonna make some grilled lemon pepper shrimp on my Ninja Foodi XL grill coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today? Guys, we're just gonna do a quick, easy, almost a full dinner kind of recipe for the Ninja Foodi XL grill. We are doing some grilled lemon pepper shrimp. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing started. I got a little asparagus that I'm gonna put with it. We got some rice already cooked. So we're gonna grill up the asparagus. We're gonna do that for about 7 minutes or so on grill high. And then we're gonna throw our shrimps on because it's really only gonna take 2-3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes for the shrimp to get done, okay? So we're starting with the asparagus and then we're gonna add the shrimp, okay? Easy as can be. Now, we are not gonna use some lemon pepper seasoning that you get from the store. Trust me, I've done it before. Plenty of great seasonings out there, but I'm going to do it from scratch. I'm gonna show you how I make my lemon pepper seasoning. Little garlic, olive oil, lemon, pepper, obviously. It's going to be amazing. So we're gonna get these shrimps cooked and then we're gonna baste this slather that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna show you how to make for that lemon pepper, okay? So again, it's nothing terribly too complicated, and I will put links down below for the tools we're using to make this lemon pepper mix here. There's a Microplane, Mortar and Pestle that we're gonna put, everything in and get it ground up together. So again, links are down below for this stuff, okay? So don't stress if you don't have these things, okay? All right, nothing left to do but to get to it. Let's get over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as Kitchen Island. All right. All right, guys, we're over here on the Ninja Foodi Grill Station. All right, we're gonna use grill setting high. We're gonna put it for 10 minutes. Like I said, we're gonna do the asparagus for about 6-7 minutes. The shrimp will only take 3 to 4 minutes, okay? So let's get this preheating. Let's start. And as you can see here, I have my shrimps already skewered. There's 4. I'm using 2 skewers. It's just easier to flip when the time comes to flip, okay? We're gonna spray them down with a little canola oil. Okay, so just quick spray, little flip, little spray again. Okay. All right, so let's put these aside. Got a little asparagus ready to go in there when it's time. So this is a mortar and pestle. I don't know. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I just can't seem to speak clearly today. I don't know why. So I got some peppercorns here. We're just gonna add, about a tablespoon in there. All right, and then just get to work on it. I put my hand over it so it doesn't go like flying out. Well, we're gonna get a nice coarse grind on these. Okay, you can see we've ground up the peppercorns. Okay, put that aside for now. We're gonna get ourselves a couple cloves of garlic. Whoa. Okay, get the paper off, fetch the paper out of there. This one I'm gonna give a couple little chops to. Okay. That one didn't get smashed enough. This one got smashed enough. Okay, now we're gonna add a couple teaspoons of olive oil, extra virgin. Okay, that's about right. We're gonna take our microplane and we're just gonna zest the lemon right here, okay? So we're just scratching down the yellow part. You do not want to get to the pith, which is the bitter white part underneath the yellow part, okay? No big deal. I'm gonna get all that goodness in there. And we're also gonna squeeze half a lemon in there. Catch the seeds, Get that whole half a lemon in there. Okay, let's turn it this way so you can see. Got the garlic, the pepper, the lemon, olive oil. And now we're gonna mix it all together and make a nice little slather for these shrimps. Just mix it slowly but surely. Grind the garlic till it's a pulp. Okay, it's ready to add food. So we're just gonna spray down just a little bit right here. Get the asparagus on. Okay. Now we're leaving plenty of room to put the shrimps on. So just give a little spray on that. These will go for about 6-7 minutes. We'll check on them after like 5, you know, right around there. We're gonna keep an eye on them. I want them grilled, but I don't want them mushy. So we're gonna just keep an eye on things. Okay, let's take a look at our asparagus. These are looking pretty much right on. They can stand another couple minutes. I like them a little crispy. Those are looking good. Let's get these shrimps on. Okay. Okay, these are gonna take no time at all. All right, so about 1.5 minutes, we're gonna flip. Okay, we're about 1 minute in. Now it's time to put our little paste on there. Now I know we've talked about in the past that we don't want to use olive oil on high grill temperatures. Okay, I get that, but we are only doing this for about 1 minute. I'm pretty comfortable in just slathering it on. Okay, and I'm gonna flip them. Okay. Ooh, you guys should smell what is going on in here. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. Oh no. Again, don't stress. Everything can be cleaned up. Good to the last drop right now. Okay, let's get this cleaned up right here. No big deal. Okay, probably another minute, we'll be good. Those are looking amazing. That's just, those are perfectly done. You don't overcook your shrimp. You do not want to overcook your shrimp. Those are looking good, gorgeous. All right, let's get them out, get them plated up, and then we'll come back for the taste test. All right, y'all, we're done. Not only do these look amazing, just the smell in here alone, the garlic, the pepper, the lemon. Can't go wrong with this. All right, let's take a bite. Let's try one of these bad boys. They've had time to cool off, so let's get a bite. Wow, that is amazing. All right, little things you could do with your lemon pepper mix. You could add some little chilies in there. I figured with the garlic, it was gonna, add enough little spice in there, so I wasn't too worried about it. It doesn't really need salt, but if you want to add it, you can. I chose not to because I felt like with everything we were putting in there, it was just good to be mellow. It hits all the flavor notes, you're good to go, okay? So what I didn't say earlier is ingredients will be down below, okay? So you can see how to make this, okay? And like I said, if you want it spicy, add some chilies to it. If you want it a little saltier, put some salt to it. All right, so that's it for this one, guys. If you want to get one of these cutting boards, the knives I use, the Ninja Foodi Grill, all that stuff has links down below. They're affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra, but it helps out the channel, all right? Also, if you want to become a show producer, click this link right there. It'll take you to my Patreon. Sign up. Be immortalized in shrimpy goodness forever, all right? Guys, give this one a try. It is exceptional. That's it. Hope y'all have a wonderful week. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, all that stuff on the way out. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.